Hello guys, it's me Wael. Today I'm going to show you how to draw with the curvature tool and how to edit your drawing. This is the curvature tool. It's very easy to draw with. We only click and release, then move to other place. Click and release and so on. When all needed points are done, we can click over the first point to close the curve we created. Use the same tool to adjust your points. Move close to the point you want to adjust. An arrow appears to let you move the point. You can add more points if needed with the same tool. Just click anywhere on the curve during drawing process or after finishing. If you want to do more precise editing, use the direct selection tool, the white arrow. When we select any point on a curve, we get two handles that show the direction of the curve at that point. If the curve is smooth at the selected point, then the handles from both sides will be along a straight line. That means the curve doesn't change its direction at the selected point. What kind of editing can you do with the direct selection tool? You can move points anywhere you want. You can change the direction and shape of any segment of the curve by moving the handles around the point and by making them longer or shorter. You can change the direction of the curve at any point. Just hold down Alt key and move any handle around the point. After you make the first change, you can release Alt key and continue moving the handles. The point now is not smooth. It became a corner point. Look at this small circle with the dot inside it. It means that we can drag it inward to form a segment of circle with a changeable radius value that appears during dragging. You can change a smooth point to a corner point by selecting it. Then from the Properties panel, select Convert Selected Anchor Points to Corner. If your screen doesn't show the Properties panel, you can bring it from Window here. All panels can be found inside Window tab. You can select more than one point at the same time, like this. Other way, click one of them, then hold down Shift key and select more to change them all. On the other hand, you can convert corner points into smooth ones by selecting them and clicking Convert Selected Anchor Points to Smooth. If you select all the points together, the Convert to Corner and the Smooth tabs disappear from the Properties panel. So, deselect one of the points by clicking it while holding down Shift key. I will deselect this corner point. Look now, the Convert tabs come back to screen. Click Convert Selected Anchor Points to Corner to change the selected points. Now, as you see, all the points are the same. Now I will draw another curve to show you more curve editing with the direct selection tool. As before, select all the points, then deselect one of them. Convert the selected ones to corner points, then select the other one and convert it as well. Now all of them are corner points and every point has its own center near it. Look now, I will drag one center only while all the points are selected. You see how we generated curve segments with the same radius length for all of them. Let's convert all the points to curve points in the same manner as we did before. I mean all except one, then it will be converted as well. This is how Illustrator works. I am doing that to show you one last thing for this video. If you place the direct selection tool near a curve segment, you will get a curve sign under the arrow. Now, you can drag the segment to reshape the curve. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like to get all my videos when are uploaded, please subscribe and click the bell. Thank you for likes and comments.